Two of the biggest names in AI content creation go head-to-head. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, the versatile conversational giant ChatGPT. And on the right, the template-driven powerhouse Writesonic. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, let's map this out real quick. Here's our blueprint for this comparison. We're going to rake through pricing, features and tools, ease of use, content versatility, customization and brand voice, support and learning, and, multi-turn conversation. Sound like a lot? Trust me, by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow. Let's kick things off with pricing. So, ChatGPT, it keeps things pretty simple, right? You get basic free access. Super handy if you just want to try it out or ask quick questions. And there's just one main upgrade tier if you want those supercharged features. But no trial period for premium, which honestly feels kind of old school these days. Now, Writesonic, there's a lot happening. You've got a free trial straight off the bat, which is nice if you're commitment phobic, and then a bunch of tier options depending on your need. Personal, business, whatever. There's even pay as you go, so it's kind of like AI a la carte. The catch? Well, the price climbs fast on higher tiers, and their whole credit system can get confusing if you're cranking out tons of content. But yeah, Writesonic definitely wins for variety and trial flexibility, no doubt. Shifting gears to features and tools. ChatGPT is, classic conversational AI royalty. If you want to chat, code, analyze data, browse the web, premium, or spin up images with DALL-E, you're pretty much covered. Custom GPTs, too. The thing is, it's really all about chat and text. You get plenty of depth, but not a ton of bells and whistles for marketing. Writesonic flips the script. It's a full-on content workshop. Thousands of templates. SEO, ads, landing pages, you name it. And how about Photosonic for images? Or Audiosonic for voiceovers. And you can whip up personalized chatbots too. Not gonna lie, if you need deep technical or creative stuff outside the marketing sphere, ChatGPT's your better bet. But for businesses or marketers, the amount of tools packed into Writesonic is wild. It totally takes this round. On to ease of use. With ChatGPT, you get that supernatural, fluid chat interface, which honestly feels like you're messaging a clever friend. But for tricky tasks, you do need to master those prompts. So not always the most beginner-friendly. Writesonic? It's straightforward. You pick a template, fill in your info, and bam, you're done. Perfect if you're just starting out and don't want to deal with prompt engineering. But fair warning, it's a little stiffer when you want to riff creatively or have a multi-turn dialogue. For quick content, though, it's a breeze. Writesonic edges out ChatGPT here just because of its guided workflow, especially for newbies. And here's something cool. Did you know ChatGPT can whip up code, analyze data, and even generate images? On the other hand, Writesonic can literally clone your brand voice and spread it out across everything you create. Mind blown, right? Content versatility is super important, right? With ChatGPT, you get the whole menu. Blogs, stories, emails, technical docs, even code. It genuinely adapts to whatever you throw at it. And honestly, its ability to handle multi-turn conversations gives it a huge edge. Sure, it's not laser-focused on marketing templates, but Writesonic is. You want landing pages, SEO articles, social posts, brand voice stuff? This is its playground. Only thing is, if you need technical writing, storytelling, or just want to get creative, Writesonic feels kind of boxed in by its templates. So, while Writesonic is a marketing powerhouse, ChatGPT wins when you need versatility for any kind of content. Jumping into customization and brand voice. ChatGPT's got those custom GPTs where you can upload docs, tweak tone, and really fine-tune how it acts. It's perfect if you want something that feels you, but truth be told, setting up those custom personalities takes some effort if you want it deep. Writesonic, you get brand voice cloning, memories of knowledge, and you can even build custom bots for your site with Botsonic. But most of it is template-driven, so if you want complete creative freedom, you'll hit some walls. This one, I'm calling it a tie. Both offer solid tools, but with different vibes. ChatGPT for granular tweaking, Writesonic for snappy branding. All right, support and learning. ChatGPT has thorough docs and a lively community. Lots of Stack Overflow moments, for sure. But no live chat, no live events. So if you get stuck, it's a little DIY. Writesonic, you get live chat, plenty of webinars, and the tutorial game is strong. Even a forum for sharing tips. No phone support, but let's be real. Who even calls these days? Writesonic definitely has the upper hand for hands-on help and ongoing learning. Now, multi-turn conversations. This is where things get kind of wild. ChatGPT's strength is right here. It remembers previous exchanges, keeps the flow superhuman, even moves from topic to topic seamlessly. It's almost like talking to someone with context. Only minor annoyance. You have to save sessions for it to keep memory long-term. Writesonic, though? It does okay generating content based on prompts, but don't expect it to remember anything you said 10 minutes ago. Definitely not designed for fluid back and forths. So, big win for ChatGPT here. Here's a quick visual. See how ChatGPT and Writesonic score across each category? Some wins are clear, some spots are much closer than you'd expect. Take note if you're a creative or a marketer. So, to wrap it up, if you want creative flexibility, technical writing, or need a chat companion that actually gets you, ChatGPT's your ultimate sidekick, especially in 2025 with how much it keeps leveling up. But hey, if you're hustling for marketing, SEO, or need snappy, branded content on repeat, Writesonic knocks it out of the park with its templates and guided workflow. Honestly, it comes down to your vibe, versatility, or specialized speed. Found this AI showdown helpful? Stay tuned for more smart comparisons like these. I've got plenty more where this came from. Don't forget to follow along for the next one.